I have 25 felonies on my record. And now I own businesses. Now I'm working from home. I'm my own boss. You don't get anything out of this video. Get that whatever you want to do, just do it. I can make 1,000 excuses. Like I don't have a right spot to record. You just gotta do it. I can't get no job. They don't have a mindset. I got 20, 21, 22, 23 felonies, maybe 24. I only got one other felony since then last year. Made me start the Digital Trapper Toolkit. I got a family now. Just had 2 sons. I got married. Caught a case all in 1 year. Said, can't put my family to this, man. I can't. You know, when I cut all them felonies, I was 18 at first. But even like, I got out when I was 21. I worked in a factory. While I was working in the factory, my first passion was fashion. I was selling knockoff Gucci belts and made $500 in a couple weeks in a row, more than my factory job. Once I got that, I was like, man, I'm not gonna stick to this factory. So I started studying how to make money online in my early 20s. So this has always been a passion. So yeah, man. So I just started studying all kind of shit. Did 3 years probation. After the probation, I moved to California. My brother was living there at the time, also into music and things. And so I was trying to, pursue that, and forgot about making money online. Well, I started working this job, and I did try doing a little affiliate marketing, with Nice Bounty, finding an offer and promoting it. I had some success there, but then I got into cannabis. I kind of, ever since then, this is about 2018, 2019, when I started selling cannabis. I've been doing that for about 6 or 7 years now. So, but I've been, yeah, so since then I've been, say, having an LLC, filing my taxes, even though, I started a streetwear brand as well. Like once I made, how I started that is because, like I said in a lot of my other videos, I made a logo for a cannabis product and I said, oh, this would look good on clothing. Put that on that. But I say all this to say this. Just because you have felonies, just because you have 10 kids in the house, just because you might be paralytic, can't even walk, don't let your circumstances limit you. Persevere through your circumstances. There's no excuses. You don't need a high-tech camera. All you need is a cell phone. If you want to do this YouTube thing, like, don't let excuses, don't let circumstances, you don't have a car, you don't need none of that. Even if you don't have Wi-Fi, go to the library, go to McDonald's parking lot, shoot a video on McDonald's parking lot. And so, that's my point with that. Yeah, I got all these felonies, but I just want my story to, be motivation to people in my position or with things against them. Use it as fuel to the fire. And the beautiful thing about it is everything you're going through, you can actually make money off of. Your story can be a testimony and launch your career. That's how I made Digital Trapper Toolkit, the tool to get you out the streets. 5, 6 years, I was risking my life selling cannabis. I got back into one of my passions, trying to make money online. And I said, you know what, I'm gonna write a book. So I wrote a book and launched it. And, that's my purpose now. I'm in the education space. I'm trying to teach people how to make money online. And that's what the toolkit is about. It's about how to make money online. So if you are interested and you know what I'm saying, like you don't like where you at right now, definitely check out the Digital Toolkit, Digital Trapper Toolkit. It'll tell you from A to Z how you can make money online. And that's only $27. And I also I throw in a lot of bonuses in there. You definitely want to check it out. Like and subscribe to the page. I will be dropping a lot of other content. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you if you're here with me in the garage. Because, you know what I'm saying, this is where it started. It's my journey. Peace out, nation.